What's up, everyone? Alright, I am going to do an unboxing video, as you can see by the title. This is a Reddy Kilowatt lighter I've been waiting for. I purchased this lighter last week, and I'm hoping it's as nice as the pictures. So, the lady was nice enough to send it out pretty quick. She shipped it next day, and she doesn't live all too far from me, so it got here rather quick. I wasn't expecting it for another day or so, but I'm pretty excited about finding out what's in this box. So let's take a look, shall we? Now, if you guys don't know who Reddy Kilowatt was, it was a character that was developed in, I believe, 1926, and he was developed to encourage people to start electrifying their homes. And he was adopted by a lot of the power companies across the country. He's been in comic books, he's been advertisements, cartoons. He's kind of been all over the place. And this is one of those Zippos, or it's supposed to be. We'll find out, when we get this thing open. But this is one of those, a lot of guys that collect Zippos and collect them how would I say it? Very seriously. Consider this one of the holy grail Zippos, I suppose. So let's find out what we got. Oh, original box. That's what this looks like. Check this box out. This thing is in beautiful condition. What? Original paperwork? Take a look at that. And there she is. Let's see if we can get... There we go. Wow, let's take this thing out and see what that's all about. And there's the bottom, if it'll focus. Come on. No? There we go. Patent number on the bottom. I am going to guess, I think that's going to put this early 60s, something like that. This lighter is brand new. Alright guys, I'm going to pull this sticker back because I really need to see what this insert is. Oh, yep. This guy was a collector. There's no flint in it. So that's smart. This lighter is absolutely brand new. Oh, come on. Look at that. Come on, focus. Come on. Oh. There we go. Look at that. Patent number, is it 2517191? Oh, it does not get much better than that. Oh. Or we could drop our camera, why not? Oh, twice. Oh, one more thing. There it is. Yeah, she's a beautiful lighter. This is the inside of the box. This is probably, in all honesty, if not the best, one of the top 2 best Zippo purchases I've ever made. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments.